What if I told you that electricity has a secret limit that scientists never expected to find? This shocking discovery could completely change how we understand electrical resistance. Whenever electricity flows through a wire, tiny particles called electrons collide with each other. These collisions create resistance, wasting energy as heat. Scientists always believed that more collisions would keep increasing resistance forever. But when researchers tested this idea, something unbelievable happened. Using ultracold potassium atoms trapped inside a grid made of laser light, scientists recreated the behavior of electrons inside a metal. At first, as collision increased, electrical resistance also increased just as expected. Then suddenly, it stopped. Even when collisions become more stronger, the resistance refused to go any higher. It had reached a maximum limit. This means electrical resistance caused by particle collisions may have a natural ceiling. The discovery could help scientists build better electronic materials, improve energy efficiency, and even advance future quantum computers. Sometimes the biggest discoveries aren't about finding something new, they are about discovering that nature has limits we never knew existed.